Question 28, Part A. Sandra is on holiday in Mexico and she plans to buy some silver jewelry. Various silver pendants are on sale. The cost varies directly with the square of the length of the pendant. A pendant of length 30 millimeters costs 130 Mexican pesos. How much does a pendant of length 40 millimeters cost? Answer correct to the nearest Mexican peso. The cost of the pendant varies directly with the square of the length of the pendant. Hence, the variation equation is cost equals k times length squared, where k is some constant. Now, the first step is to determine the value of k, and we need some information for that. Now, we do know that the cost of a pendant that is 30 millimeters in length is 130 Mexican pesos. So if we substitute cost equals 130 here, and length equals 30 here, and then rearrange this equation, we can solve for k. So substituting those values for cost and length, we get 130 equals k times 30 squared, but we need k to be the subject, so we need to divide both sides of this equation by 30 squared. We get 130 divided by 30 squared is equal to k, and evaluating the left-hand side, we get k is equal to 13 over 90. Now we can find the cost of a pendant that is 40 millimeters in length. So we have the value of k, which is 13 over 90, and we want the cost of a pendant that is 40 millimeters in length. So I'm going to substitute 40 for the length here, and then evaluate the right-hand side of the equation. So cost is equal to 13 over 90 multiplied by 40 squared, which equals 231.111 and so on. Therefore, the cost of a 40 millimeter pendant is 231 Mexican pesos, correct to the nearest peso.